So I'm trying to get to the bottom of why my 2-barrel Lotto tumbler makes so much more noise than my single. So I'll show you the single here and let you listen to it. It just kind of hums like a hummingbird. I mean, it's not loud and obnoxious at all. It's kind of a constant hum. Now this guy, on the other hand,
It sounds like there's an air compressor running in my basement.
I think it might be in the motor, but I've seen other people say they've had some spot welds fail. So I'm going to tear this apart and see what's on the inside, and maybe my son can weld it up for me. Well, it's interesting. When I take the motor off, it runs super smooth when I take the fans and weights off the side of it, and everything sounds good. If I put one of the fans back on and weights, it sounds fine. If I put the other one on, it sounds bad. But I can't seem to get that one bad one to follow side to side. And then, of course, putting it back together, some pretty subpar bolts on the side of this motor, and it broke right off. So that's incredibly frustrating. I think what I'm going to try now, so I got 3 of the 4 bolts back together. Super frustrated by that. I'm going to take the fans off of that one that runs super smooth and quiet and put it here to see if I can rule out if it's actually the fans that are causing the problem. Well, swapping the fans, this one still sounds the same, loud and noisy, and this guy is humming like a hummingbird over here, so it's not the fans. So I guess the only other thing I could do would be to swap the motors, but I don't know if it's the same motor or not. I don't think it is. Yeah, that's a different motor. No, it might be. So I think I might swap the motors and see if the noise follows the motors, and if it does, I know it's a bad motor. If it still makes noise, then I know it's something in the frame. Well, I wish it wasn't the case, but it's pretty conclusive that it is the motor. I'll get a little closer here. It's humming like a hummingbird again, so it's not in the frame. It's in the motor. I'm going to go ahead and leave this motor on this one since it's got 2 barrels, and have to start trying to figure out how to get a replacement motor. Super frustrating, only about 6 months old.